Hey guys, I'm Semret Russom.
And I'm Robil.
Welcome to our Tigrinya Tuesday. We're super excited to have you back. And don't forget, there's Delina.
Oh, hey.
Delina,
Say
say
hi,
hi, Delu. Say hi, Delina. Yay! So, if you're new to our channel, we want to welcome you. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Help us out. And also leave us a comment. Click the bell button every time we upload. And you're notified. Right, Delina? Yes, right.
She says
Okay,
no.
are you ready?
Yes. Oh,
So let's get into the program, you guys. All right, you guys, so today, as you can see, we are going to be talking about working out, right?
fitness.
Fitness. So, are you? Yes, fitness. Good job, Darina. So, as you guys know, we first say the words, and then we do the, teaching Robil the words first, and then he would say them to me.
Yeah,
So-
I'll just repeat
Yeah,
after you.
exactly. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Sport atleticawi.
Atleticawi.
Yes. Gym, gymnasium.
Gymnasium.
Soccer, ku'iso igri.
Soccer. Keiso egri.
Yes, ku'iso igri.
Keiso egri.
Swim, mehembas.
Mehembas.
Bol, ku'iso.
Keiso. Keiso. Did I say it right?
Ku'iso.
Keiso.
Great, wonderful. Field, golgol.
Gol.
Soar, strapa.
Strapa.
Running, or run, is mekhiad.
Nakhiad.
Yes.
Nakhiad. Is that good? Nakhiad. What?
Bicep, gulsum.
Kelsum.
Gulsum. Push up, push up.
Push up.
And push up. Sit up, sit up.
Sit up.
So walk is tazawar.
Tazawel.
Walking is tazawari. Weight, kibdet.
Wait. Kibdet. So, kibdet.
Yes.
Kibdet.
Sweat, rahat.
Rahat. Rahat.
Rahat.
Rahats. Rahats.
Team ganta.
Ganta.
Motivation, bahagi.
Bahagi.
Oh, I didn't. Okay, yeah.
Is that right?
Right. Okay, shoes, chama.
Sha'ama.
Yes.
Sha'ama.
Stinky. Socks, kalsi.
Socks. Kalsi.
Hi, Dylan. Yay! It's just like, pay attention to me. Health, ta'anna.
Ta'anna.
Diet, fully megbi.
Fully Megbi.
Waist trainer, ooh, that feels good. Waist trainer, kanat.
Waist trainer. Ka'anat.
Workout clothes, nice sportenya, kidan.
Nai. Sportena. Kidan.
Yes. Egg white, saada, and guacoho.
Zahada in Kuakaho.
Good job. Nafu.
Zahara in Kuakaho.
No, saada and guacoho.
Zahara in Kuakaho.
Perfect. Yes. All right, you guys. So up next, I'm gonna teach Robil some sentences so that way it will make sense to you when we do it. You ready?
Yes.
Owa.
Owa.
Work your abs. Kabdikhi sirhiyo hiji.
Say it again.
Work out your abs.
Huh?
Kabdikhi
Kabdikhi.
sirhiyo
Serhiyo.
hiji.
Hiji.
But here's the thing, you guys. So that's for female. For male would be kabdikha
Kabdikha.
sirhayo
Serhayo.
hiji.
Hiji.
Right? So just so that you have to know the difference, right?
Yeah.
So the difference for male and female, we did a video about it last week, I think. So if you guys haven't checked that out, be sure to do so. So that way you understand the difference between male and female, right? I want to lose weight. Kugwedil delie.
Kugwedel delie. Did I say it right?
Yeah, good job.
Kugwedel delie.
Yes. Abs are made in the kitchen.
Abs are made in the kitchen? I don't understand.
ኣብ ከብዲ ኣብ ክሽነ እዩ ዝስራሕ
كبدة أب
كشن.
كبدة أب
ክሽነ
كشنة
እዩ
إيو
ዝስራሕ
زسرة.
That's right. Abs are made in the kitchen. You know why?
Why?
Because you have to make your food at what? Kitchen. So then, therefore, you get abs for eating healthy.
Oh, eating healthy. Now I understand. I thought I had to do sit-ups in the kitchen.
I want to sign up Team Semret.
I want to sign up for Team Semret.
Ganta Semret Kahawin Delye.
Ganta Semret Takawa
Kahawin
Kahawan
Delye.
Delie.
I want to be Team Semret.
Ganta Semret Kahawan
Kahawin.
Kahawan Delie
Delye.
Delie.
It feels good to look good. ጽቡቕ ምዃን ጽቡቕ ይስማዓካ.
Supo Muhan Supo
ይስማዓካ.
Isamaka.
Yes. Right?
Yeah.
It makes sense, right?
It feels good to look good.
That's right.
Eritrea Semreta.
أبيت.
Kukanes Delie.
ክትቅንስ ደቂቓ ከብዲ ኣብ ክሽነ እዩ ዝስራሕ.
Entai Kabela.
ክትበልዕ ፃዕዳ እንቋቑሖ.
Ganta Semret Kahawan Delie.
ሓራይ.
Will you take me?
እወ.
Oh, yes.
Let's do it.
Supo Muhan Supo
ይስማዓካ.
Isamaka.
Yes. Yes. All right, you guys, we are all done on our Tigrinya Tuesday for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give us thumbs up and also share it because it helps us. And if you have any other suggestion, leave us a comment because we always read your comments. One thing that I wanted to say to you guys is that exercise is great. You can do it as family. It makes you feel good. It makes you look good. Staying healthy, staying strong is so important for our health. So don't forget, take care of yourself. Till next time, take care, you guys. Bye. Thank you, Lucy. Bye-bye.
She's waving.
Bye, guys.